How's it going, everyone? Today I'll be replacing my cracked phone screen. Let's get right to it. First thing you need to do is turn it off. Next step is taking out the SIM tray, which has micro SD card and the nano SIM card. We've got 5 spots on the back. You need to remove these tiny stickers and then take the screws out. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to get them started and then I'll pull them out with some tweezers. So we got tiny little screws here. We've got 2 screwdrivers that came with the replacement screen. I do not know if I'll need them both. There's whole 5 screws. Now I'm led to believe that there are 4 points where it is kind of held in there. Let's see if any of my prying tools are thin enough to fit. All right, that exposes a little cable in here that it's attached with. So now I gotta get the cable out. Not exactly sure how that's held in, so this will be interesting. They just have these mini connectors that just pop into place into this board here. So that's a lot easier than I was anticipating. I'll take it. So that just pops up. Let's see what is under this. Oh, I have their front-facing camera. All right, I'm gonna put you back. That's important. Well, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take this old screen protector off. That is a lot of damage. Let's see if I can just pry it open, pry it off. Get my fingernail in there. I'm very surprised I did not just hurt myself doing that. Almost got it. Okay. So here's the board. Let's take a look at the old screen. Let's check the length of these little 3M strips here. So my guess is that I take these out, apply them to the phone, and then I've got one chance to attach it to the screen holder. We're gonna try a few things. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this strip off. For fun, let's see if I can transfer this. Is it worth it? That's correct, audience. I don't know what I'm doing. And on this day, 2020, I spent 10 minutes trying to reapply a piece of tape whose properties are unknown. So this is sticky. I didn't know that. I should probably quit touching it and jacking around with this and apply it before I ruin all of that. All right, I'm gonna feed this through. So this little tab here feeds through the slot here. So we're gonna feed it through and we're gonna line it up like so. And then we're going to press it. Hope not to create any dents. Then we'd be forced to call it a press it dent. You're right, I should keep my day job. Oh my God, this is not aligned. Oh Lord. Definitely be keeping my day job after that. Mistake. I'm gonna call that instant karma. Probably shouldn't have made a stupid joke. All right, well, I mean, as long as that lines up, I'm not too upset. All right, well, that appears to be attached. So I guess what I'll do is I will reattach these 2 cables, turn on the screen, and see if the screen works. because that sure would be awful if it didn't. Let's turn on the phone, see what we get. Hey, I get a screen. That's good. Nice. Let's put in a pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Screen works. Screen touching works. Nice, nice. I'll have to check to see if there are any dead spots later. That's basically everything. Now I'm going to turn it off. Going to put the screws back in. Watch now as I break my brand new screen. Yeah, you may be able to see that. That was really badly done on my part. Let's take this off. Nice. This is a lot easier than I thought it'd be. I hate adhesive in electronics. You can have problems where things don't line up because adhesive doesn't care how things attach, just that they get attached. Screws fix that sort of thing, but there are no pegs or anything to guide the screen into the proper location. So now I've got this kind of unsightly gap, and I'll have to I'll check to see what vibrations do to see if it has a awful sound. So I may take it apart more in the future, but now that I know what I'm doing, I'll have a better understanding of it. Anyways, that's all I got for the day. Thanks for watching.